Are you following a best skincare routine for yourself and eating healthy at the same time, still not getting the desired results and not meeting the targets you have set for yourself related to have a beautiful, youthful and glowing skin? Then this is the video which will definitely provide you the information which you were lacking, or maybe you were really looking for something which can actually tell you why you are not able to meet your targets. You know what? When it comes to have a beautiful youthful skin, there are 4 pillars equally responsible and works together to fulfill your targets, and skincare and good eating habit are just the 2 pillars. So in this video, I will be disclosing and discussing about the 2 other pillars which are very rare and very few people know about this. So if you're interested and curious about it, keep on watching the video. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanya. I'm a professional makeup artist and an educator, a makeover, lifestyle and bridal consultant, an aromatherapist, a cosmetologist, and a fashion, beauty and lifestyle influencer as well. In this video, as you already know, this is a really special video for me as well, because finally I'm sharing it with you guys. And you know what? I really feel that it's high time now that this information should go out, and it's a part of the education which I personally feel everybody should have. Choosing or not choosing is a different thing altogether, but you know what? Just having the right information also gives you a very peaceful sleep at night, right? So this is one of those videos, and trust me, do watch the video till the end if you don't want to miss out on anything, because this is a piece of information which is very unique. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Before moving ahead with the 2 pillars which I was talking about, which are the rarest and very few people know about it, let's talk about the 2 pillars which you already know a little bit, so that it can actually sink in and connect everything together, and all the 4 pillars and the points and whatever they do together for you to have a youthful glowing skin. So the first thing is good skincare regime. So as you guys already know that I'm a skin consultant, and there are a lot of people whom I consult on a daily basis, like physically, via online, Zoom meetings and all of that. So I have seen that, most of the time people ask for certain kind of products that, can you suggest me some product which can just deal with these things or these problems, or whatever skin or hair or body care problems they have. But you know what? A good product is definitely important, but at the same time, all the 3 aspects are equally important. So all these 4 pillars have their individual importance and value, and when they work together, nobody can stop you to achieve your targets related to your beauty care. Okay, so the first thing is skincare. Of course, a good product is important, and whatever suits you best is best for you. Okay, so a lot of times people ask me that, Vanya, can you please suggest me a good face wash, or a best face wash, or a best cream, or a best scrub? So you know what, there is no such thing called best product or something. The thing which works for you is best for you, and that's the truth. Okay, so a skincare is actually important and contributes to the whole system. Okay, so no matter what you do, all the 4 pillars have equal distribution of responsibilities. Only product, I'm sorry, but it doesn't help. Okay, definitely all the 4 pillars have to be equally balanced to get the desired results. Yes, eating and skincare plays a vital role, but you know what, if you don't have these 2 pillars in a proper state, you can't get the results, and that's for sure. The second thing is good eating habit. Okay, so when you talk about eating habits, the first thing is, forget about eating right now, I'm talking about water, which I guess you guys already know that I talk a lot. There are times when people tell me that, I'm a brand ambassador for water, and I don't mind to be called like that, because it is, water has magical effects on your body, which also shows on your face. Okay, so a good amount of water is equally important, because that maintains the water level and hydration level of your body. That is something which is really essential if you really want to achieve your targets. Okay, now let's talk about food. So food, no matter what you eat, if you drink proper water and warm water and all of that, then it balances out. If you ask me, I eat everything, starting from ghee, from butter, from cheese, from spicy food, street food, normal home cooked food, everything. Okay, I never think before eating, which you already must have known if you have seen my past videos related to these topics. But still, if you don't know that, I'm telling you that now. So I'll not be talking too much about these 2 points. I just touched it because I want to focus more on those 2 pillars, because that is the core heart of this entire video. So let's talk about the third pillar, which is the energetical effects on your beauty regime or on your body or face. So you already know that these days people are in a lot of stress, okay? And no matter what, if you are stressed in your life, that will reflect on your face. Forget about stress. Even if you are sad for a very small reason, you must have seen that, you know, your face suddenly changes. You suddenly start looking very very sad, very negative and short of that. And if you're a person who are into stress for a long period of time, that will show on your face. For an example, if you are stressed in any area of your life, okay, and you are also using a good skincare and maintaining a good eating habit, trust me, you won't get the results. Second, if you are already in too much of stress and you are using anti-aging creams, or you are following a skincare routine where you want a very plumped, healthy, glowing skin, trust me, you will not have. Why? Because the stress point is the energetical vibration you are having around your body, okay? So there are times when I talk about this, people are like, okay, this energy thing you believe in. You know what? There is nothing to believe or not to believe about energy, because everything out there, including you, me, this camera, everything is made up of energy, whether you believe it or you don't, okay? It's just that people have some misunderstanding around this energy concept, but you know what? It still exists and it will always exist. You, will go definitely one day, but this thing was always there, it is, and it will be there always, okay? Okay, so let me explain you in a very interesting way, okay? If you feel that this energy thing does not work, first listen to this example and then we'll decide whether it works or not. Stress. We all know stress is there and most of us are in stress. Maybe we are in stressed condition for some time, or some of them are always in stress, right? So what is this stress? Can you touch it? Can you hold it? Yes, energetically you are holding it, that's a different case, but can you touch it? Does it have a physical form? No. What it is, it's an energetical vibration which is negative, okay? I'm just explaining you this in a very common language. So stress is there, right? So even if you don't believe in this energy thing, it's nothing to do with the belief thing, okay? It's already there. So the point is, when you are in stress, so you have a lot of negative energy around your body, okay? Just for example, when you fall sick, don't you see that suddenly you develop dark circles, suddenly your skin goes dull, suddenly you start losing weight, suddenly you start gaining weight in some cases, suddenly you turn very dark and all of that, and suddenly you even before you start aging, actually you look really older, right? This is because of the energetical vibrations you are having around you. And if you are already having this, like maybe depression or stress or anything negative around you, which mostly people have, which is very common these days, then definitely that will show on your face, your body, your hair and everywhere. So let me share some statistics with you, which you also know, but I'm kind of putting it in front of you just to remind you. Don't you see that a lot of people are having so much of hair fall these days, which was not an issue like around 10-15 years back, right? The second thing is, a lot of people are aging much faster these days than it used to be, right? The third thing is, most of them are having dark circles, okay? The fourth thing is, people are not very energetic. They have to do so many things to stay energetic. But if you talk about our seniors and our family members who are really senior to us, or the previous generation, they didn't do that much, right? They didn't go for a gym or other things the way we are adopting yoga, exercise and everything these days. Still we are struggling to manage all of the well-being of a life. They didn't do that, but still they were not aging so fast. So this is the reason, why when your energetical things are not balanced, it shows on your face. No matter how good you eat, no matter how good you are doing your skincare routine, you cannot achieve the desired results if these two pillars are not balanced. So now you know about how this energy thing works. Now how you can get around it. Okay, the first thing which I came across, which literally worked for me and has worked for all of my clients, is Access Face Lift. So this is a process which deals energetically around the areas of your life and your body where you are stuck, and there is a stuck kind of energy which does not allow you to show up in your life in terms of beauty thing and other things as well. This is not just a process where you will only experience results in terms of beauty thing. It has lot more to do with, but because this is a video where I'm talking about beauty, I'm just disclosing the beauty factors. Now when you receive these processes, I personally also have clients who take these processes from me. I have seen the changes, and forget about my clients, you can see me as well. Go and watch my first video on my channel and then watch the middle area videos and then watch this video. And if you want to see more of what I was and what I am today, then go to my Instagram handle that I have shared 10 years before picture and 10 years like recent picture, and then this is like after. So my life has been before, after, and then this is another after. Okay, and there is a lot of more after coming in the near future. Stay tuned if you really want to see that. So in my case, a lot of my friends told me that in your case, your age is actually reversing. You're not aging, you are just becoming younger day by day. You know what? This was not possible because and I have tried and tested the entire thing. That's why I'm so confident. So earlier I was really committed towards eating good and following a skincare regime because I am into the beauty industry. I am teaching people, I am training people around beauty. So I used to really maintain myself, but still my breakouts were not stopping no matter what I do. Still my face used to look like I'm a mother of 2 kids at least and all of that. But if you see now, it's a different story altogether. You know, makeup can hide the discoloration, but makeup cannot change the facial structure, cannot change the way you look. How it became possible? Because I was actually into depression and stress, and there was so much of suppressed anger in me that anger used to show up on my face. So people who don't know me personally, they also used to tell me that, you know, whenever we see your photographs, you seem like you're so sad and you're so angry, you know. They don't know about me, like how I function in my personal life, but still they used to tell that. Can you understand how energy works? We all are psychic at some level, but we just don't acknowledge it. The point is, everybody can sense energy. And when you start actually believing that yes, it is there, and when you start seeing it like that, you can see that trust me, because I have gotten out of those limitations and stuck up energies and all, it has started showing the result on my body and my face as well. And I'm the walking, talking example for this. If you have met me in person, you already know that this change is not something which you can just avoid and say, okay, fine, it's okay, the change is there, but okay. No, you cannot say that. If you have seen me past 10 years and now, the change is something which you cannot ignore. I'm not exaggerating and blabbering about myself, but you know, I'm just so grateful that I chose this process. And Access Consciousness is a modality which actually, you know, gives you the correct information about life and educates you, you know, that how to go around things, no matter what it is, whether relationship, whether career, whether money, finances, no matter what. Okay, and I'm so glad that I'm part of it. And you know what, I always feel like when people say that okay, fine, it is okay, I like, if you haven't done Access, you're actually missing out on something, and this you can only know after experiencing it. Okay, you can taste the food and then only you know how the food tastes, not just by seeing it in the picture, right? So Access is something like that, and I'm into this from last 6-7 years, and now I take private sessions and I also do these processes for my clients and all, and it is working miraculously, and I can't tell you how the results are, and that is so inspiring, so inspiring. Okay, so I was little off the track because I can't help when I talk about Access, I just keep on speaking and I just don't realize the time. So this is all about how energy thing works. So if you are not meeting your targets, beauty targets, girls or boys, these are the things which you should definitely check on because it matters. Let's talk about point number 4, that is the fourth pillar of this entire beauty system, and that is receiving touch. Okay, so I know this sounds a little different, but let me put it in this way. So whatever beauty targets you have, so for what you are having those targets? And don't you think it is connected to your body? Of course, right? So your body is where you want to see that youthfulness, that beauty, that glow, the healthy skin and all of that. So your body is what you are looking for when you actually are setting a target to have a beautiful, youthful body, and your face is not out of your body, this is a part of your body, right? So this is something which is equally important. So when you receive touch, you know what, during these COVID times last year, so there was an article in one of the newspapers, I don't remember the newspaper, but there was an article that in these COVID times, people are really missing out on touch, okay? You know what, when you hug somebody, you energetically, your body heals itself. Don't you have experienced that healing effect when you truly hug somebody, when you receive touch, even when you do handshake, even when you just touch somebody, okay? It's a very different thing altogether. So you know what, I prepare my own formulations for my skincare and all. So I usually do everything on my own at my home, but just to receive that touch, I go for body spa sessions, or maybe I go for a facial session. So I don't go for a facial session to get fair skin or glow and all that, because that I already have because of my skincare routine and the amount of water I intake. But and of course, how can I forget the energetical sessions I take to stay fit, healthy, youthful and glowing. So apart from that, what I do, I go for a facial just to get touched, okay? Like, you know, that I don't have to explain it, guys. You already know how relaxing it is. When your body feels relaxed, it releases so much of toxins, it releases so much of negative energy that, you know, that can only come from touch. You know, if you keep yourself deprived from touch, I can understand why are you missing the, you know, what I'll say, the spark of life, okay? And try it. I'm not talking about getting intimate and becoming physical. I'm not promoting that right here, right now. But yes, that is also a part. But at the same time, you know, just have a little bit of touch involved in your life, like handshake or a good hug to whoever you love or you feel like connected to, and you know, just have that touch. You know, get your massage done, get your facial done, get your cleanups done, get your you know, body scrubbing and polishing done. These things will, you know, make you fall in love with your body. The more and more you choose, trust me, I was a person earlier, like around 10-12 years back, when I never used to comb my hair also while going to a wedding party. And trust me, I'm not exaggerating, my parents know this. My mom used to literally do everything for me and I used to cry, please don't do this on me, okay? And now when I follow everything, I can see that more and more I'm incorporating touch. Even, you know, forget about somebody else touching you. Even if when you touch your body, how many times we do touch ourselves? Forget about somebody else touching you or you touching somebody else. We don't touch ourselves as well. Most of the time we are just busy in judging ourselves. I don't have this good, I don't have that good. And you know what? Every judgment has a negative energy, and I don't have to ask you, you can ask yourself that how many times you judge yourself. My hair is not good, my nose is not good, my legs are not good, my hands are not good, I'm fat, I'm thin, I'm this, I'm that. Please guys, if you can, if you really want to achieve your targets, stop judging yourself. Start working for it, because judgment will make you stuck and nothing will change. If you stop judging yourself, and if you're not liking any area of your body or anything, just change it, right? You can choose something, you can educate yourself around that area, that how you can upgrade that part. That's it. You don't need to judge first and then change. This is a pattern which I have seen mostly people follow, that they will first judge themselves around that area. They will sit, they will judge, and there is a time we don't feel like changing anything because they have judged it so much that forget about change, okay? So if you're really committed in changing or upgrading and, you know, making something or some area of your life or your body better, please stop judging first and just be in question that how you can upgrade and how you can change that area, and that will lead you towards your target, not judging. Okay, judging feels very convenient because that's up to you, nobody can stop you, but I don't think it works. Do you really think it works? If it would have worked, then I guess you already have met your targets, right? So please stop judging yourself and start touching. Touch yourself, touch your body, touch your face. You know, in the morning you can do this exercise. I do this exercise, and what you can do in the morning, just very lightly, you know, just like you're touching a baby, you know, that softness has to be there. Just lightly put your hands on your face, very lightly. You don't have to touch pura, okay? Just touch it very lightly and just, you know, feel that you are, touch yourself the way you would like to get touched. You know, give that signal to the universe that, hey universe, this is the way I would like to get touched. And touch yourself and see the magic. You know, this is something I can't explain you over a video, but do it and let me know how it was for you, because when I did it, I was blown away. Okay, you can go for multi-million dollars treatments and you start touching yourself and see the magic. Okay, I have done that and I know that how it is. Don't wait for somebody else to touch you. Okay, you can start with yourself, and the more you do it, the more you are surrounded with people who also have that energy of gratitude and love and care towards you. Okay, if you are not if you are treating yourself with so much of harshness and so much of judgment, you will only receive the same people who have the same kind of energy, and then you will always be, you know, having a fight with the universe that why you always send me such peoples, you know, why can't you send me someone who can truly love me? But my question is, do you love yourself? Do you really are committed to stay out of judgment and just stay committed towards yourself that no matter what, I am going to be an allowance of myself and I'm not going to judge, and whatever area I would like to change, I'll educate myself, I'll go for a consultant, I'll go for anything where I can actually change it, not thinking of changing it by judging it. Okay, so this was all about this video. And you know what, when I talk about such topics, it becomes really difficult to keep the video short because you know, the kind of energy I am at that time, it's difficult to make it very short video. But I hope this video was helpful, and now you know all the 4 pillars of having a youthful glowing skin, and really, you know, how to reverse your age kind of. And these 4 things I do practice myself. So I walk my talk. I'm not just saying it to make a video or a content or something like that. I do follow it. I have seen the result. I have tried it. I have tested it from top, bottom, left, right, and I know it works. And if you do try it out, let me know personally, of course. If you don't want to put it on a public platform, you can personally let me know on my DM how was your experience. I would really look forward to know how it was for you. So this was all about this video. If you liked the content and found the content different and useful, you can subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss on such videos in the further future as well. And you can also follow me on my Instagram handle. So this is my Instagram handle where I put a lot of fashion, makeup related stuff and the looks I create on models, on myself and for my brides. So you can check out my work there and you can support me there as well. So yes, till then, stay beautiful, stay happy and be well informed. And if you are looking for any kind of personal consultation with me, yes, I do take it. So you can also reach out to me. I'll drop down the details in the description box below how you can reach out to me, and I'll be really looking forward to help you and to be your friend in achieving your targets. See you.